Whenever I create a design systems, I want to give a contextual name to all the layer that we have in the system so that it doesn't just help me, but it also help my team to increase their productivity. And here we will use one of the hidden secret in the Figma. We are going to use regular expression to rename all of this layer in bulk. And to do that, I will select all of this layer which I want to rename, right click and click on the rename. This dialog box will open and you are familiar with this dialog box. But one of the secret which is here is on the top, it allow you to write a regular expression. For example, I have written this regular expression. I will tell you how to write this thing. You don't have to use your brain. We will use the AI to help us to figure it out this part in a moment. And I want to replace this thing with a primary. Now you see on the left hand side how things are getting changed. Now, instead of this, I will use a dollar and one. So it and I hit a rename button and every layer just rename the way we want it to be. How you will come to know which regular expression you have to write. That is where we will take the help from the AI. You can use any tool, either ChatGPT, Gemini, or whatever you are comfortable with. Go to the Figma, select all the layer that you want to rename. Let me take a screenshot. I will paste the screenshot and I will also write a prompt. So I'm asking Gemini to write a regex so that we need to rename it to primary slash 50, primary slash 100 and so on. Now, what is the regex? Is a regular expression which allow to find a pattern within the string. So it's very powerful. And let's see how the things are getting processed here. And it's given us a pattern. So here we are. The logic works fine. So this is what we need to copy. So I will copy it here. Go to the Figma, right click, rename, and this is the place where you want to add the regular expression. And if you want a desired output, so this is where it is written primary dollar one. So we will use this thing. And on the left hand side, you can see the same results which is showing up. So I want to make this one PS capital, and that looks good. And click on the rename, and the layer will get updated in no time. Hope you have enjoyed this video.